Namaskar, welcome to Finance for Common Man. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification. In previous videos of financial planning, we discussed how to assess our financial status. In second step, we will talk about writing down our financial goals today. We all have dreams or some wishes, but we need money to fulfill them, which are nothing but our financial goals. Financial goals can be such as child's higher education, child's marriage, house if you are living in rented, fund after retirement, and vacation if you are planning. We all have these dreams in our mind, but we do not write them down. Another thing we don't do is we do not set up a timeline against them. For example, you want to buy a home after 5 years or 10 years, but you do not set up a timeline. And third thing we do not do is we do not quantify goals. For example, we do not quantify the amount needed after 5 years to buy a home. We will say an example of goals which commonly everyone has. Suppose you want to buy a home after 5 years, its current cost is 25 lakh, then you will need 35 lakh after 5 years. To know how to calculate future cost, please watch our earlier video on inflation and its effects. Another is child's higher education. For child's higher education, after 16 years, you will need 29.5 lakhs if current cost is 10 lakh for planned higher education. Then for child's marriage, you will need 22 lakh after 22 years considering current cost 5 lakh. To find out retirement fund, there are various websites available. Suppose your current age is 28 years, you plan to retire at 55 years age and your life expectancy to be 80 years, your current monthly expense is 15,000, then you will need 2 crore at your retirement by considering 7% inflation and 10% returns on your investment. Here 2 crore is a very big amount for common man. Hence, it is so much of important to write down your financial goals. To summarize what we have discussed today, write down your financial goals, put timelines against them, quantify your financial goals, review and revise if needed your financial goals. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. Please give us your suggestions and doubts in comment section. Thank you.